What about St. Lucia? What about Trinidad and Tobago?
Well, the Trinidad and Tobago is after that, there.
What about St. Kitts and Nevis?
Maybe that's what that is, Trinidad, yeah.
What about...
Trinidad.
Have you got to Gabon?
Yeah.
What about Cameroon?
Yeah, St. Kitts, and that's Brunei, Bosnia.
What about Bhutan?
Yeah, that's the Bahamas.
What about Myanmar?
That's Eritrea.
What about Laos?
And that's East Timor.
What about Belgium?
Zimbabwe.
What about Belgium?
That's Sao Tome and Principe, and that's Guyana.
What about Belgium?
Mozambique.
Belgium?
Vanuatu. Oh, now we've arrived at Djibouti.
What about Belgium?
And now we've arrived at Equatorial Guinea.
What about Belgium?
Guinea.
What about Belgium?
And that's Czech. Oh no.
What about Belgium? Belgium?
I think we've done Belgium.
Oh. What about France?
We've done France.
Germany? What about Germany? Have you done Germany?
Yeah, we've definitely done Germany, yeah. That's Cuba.
You've only got 6 minutes and 39 seconds left.
Chile.
What about Nicaragua?
We haven't got to Nicaragua yet. Liberia.
What about Honduras?
Taiwan.
We've got Honduras.
What
about Honduras?
No, not yet. We've got North Korea.
What about Honduras though?
We'll get to Honduras. Laos. Cape Verde.
Do you have
Belize.
Mauritius?
We've done Mauritiana, and that's Haiti.
There's no such place as Mauritiana. What
Is
about
there?
Mauritius?
That's.
Have you done Mauritania?
Is that how you spell Liechtenstein? Leek.
Liechtenstein.
No, it's how it's spelled.
Liechtenstein. Steiner. Mate, you're cheating. You can't do that.
I'm
Can't
checking-
Google.
just
That's
checking the
cheating, mate.
spelling.
No, that's cheating. The whole thing's void now. You can't do that.
I haven't done it yet.
Paraguay.
Serbia.
Serbia.
Slovakia.
What about Slovakia?
We've done it. Croatia.
What about Croatia?
Done Slovenia.
You done Slovenia?
Thailand.
What about Thailand?
That's Costa Rica, sorry. Easy mistake. And then there's Luxembourg. Honduras.
Have you done Greece?
And then there's what's that one? Micronesia, I believe it is. Yep. That's Somalia, Nicaragua.
Have you done Ethiopia?
Not yet.
What about South Sudan?
Yeah, I've done South Sudan.
Have you done Sudan?
Yeah, for fuck's sake.
Have you done Algeria? What about Algeria?
I think I've done Algeria. Yeah.
What about Libya?
Done Algeria. Oh wait a bit. Oh, is that Guatemala actually?
What's your favourite food?
I don't know.
What about Croatia? Do you like Croatian food?
No idea.
Have you done Laos?
Estonia. One. That's Botswana. Whoops.